Hi lovies, last video of the year, let's get into it. So to my fenugreek paste I added my coconut oil conditioner. I added about half a cup of coconut oil conditioner, so it's really great for the hair. It has argan oil, it has vitamin E, and it's really wonderful for the hair. So previously I used the coconut oil shampoo in washing my hair, and now to deep condition I'm going to do that, and as well as I added my oils to it, and now I'm just mixing it up. So all you have to do is to give it a good mix to make sure that everything is smooth and there's no lumps inside. Yes, so that's what I'm doing right here. And after using that little spoon, I went ahead and used a wicks, and that's how I was able to wicks it so a very smooth consistency that I like. So at this point of the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Next year promise to be a great year for all of us. Wonderful videos coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? So I've just whisked it up to make sure that the paste is good, and when I knew I was okay with this paste, I'm good to go. So guys, I'm back. So I've washed my hair, I've pre-pulled my hair. So I think that video must have been up. So if you've not seen the video of how I pre-pull my hair, I'm going to leave a link of that video in the description box. Please endeavor to see how I pre-pull my hair. And after that, I washed my hair with the shampoo. So the same shampoo, like I said before, the same shampoo I used is the same product I used. I'm using the conditioner. The only difference is that I fortify it a little bit by adding my fenugreek paste and my moringa avocado oil. So now I'm going to deep condition my hair. So this is my paste here, and my hair is damp. It's not like soaking wet, like even if you squeeze it there's no water coming out, but it's not dry because I've washed it like an hour ago and it has dry a little bit, but it's still a bit wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the conditioner to it in this form. So this is how it feels, because I did a good job in like making sure there's no seed in it. It feels so smooth, like well, like all it now. And the way I beat the thing is as if I want to prepare cake. It feels really nice, really nice. There's no seed in it because I don't want to spend the whole day like washing out seeds from my hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just applying it. Remember to apply it to the ends of your hair and past the intersection. Apply to ensure that every part of your hair gets it. You see, you don't just apply on top of that section. Open it up and apply. So that's what I'm doing. I'm applying it and then open again and apply like so. Boy will not let me make my video. Open again and apply like so, and then one more time. Yep, and apply. So now that I've applied into quite an amount of hair, I'm going to massage it into the hair. So this deep conditioner is very moisturizing. It has oil in it and it has fenugreek that is quite very moisturizing for your hair. I think the combo is really great. You can see my hair pattern, coil pattern coming out. Yep. Oh baby. Yeah, so now that you've done that, I'm going to put it back into a twist, massage more and put it back into a twist. So to try to like make sure that all my hair gets covered, I like doing a little bit for each session at a time. And then when I'm done with every session of the hair, the full session, and there's still any conditioner remaining, I can go back and add more. So I don't add a lot for the very first time because I want to make sure that every part of the hair gets covered with the conditioner, not just one part. So now I'm going to go and do the same thing for all the parts of the hair. So finally, I'm done with it. I make sure I use everything. So yes, so before I continue this video, I need to wash my hands. I don't like having it on my hands, so I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. Covering it up with a shower cup, like so. And to make sure it's deep conditioned, I could actually leave it like this for hours and go about my day activity, but it's already 9 o'clock at night and I need to sleep. So to fasten up this process, I'm going to use my hooded dryer. It came in a box like this. I might have shown you guys before, I can't really remember, but it came in a box like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply heat to it using this hooded dryer. So it's basically like this. So I'm gonna try and yep, okay. Then to the end of it, this other end, I'm going to add my dryer to it and steam it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to wash it off in the bathroom, and then I might be back or I might not be back. It depends on how late it is. So after doing that, my deep conditioning, I'm going to rinse my hair with a tea. So I'm going to have a video of that tea before this video or after this video. I don't know which one's going to come up first. So let's steam the hair for 45 minutes without much talking. So I'm back after steaming the hair for 45 minutes. This is how the hair looks, very soft and deep conditioned. So I couldn't really talk in this part anymore. I was just laughing because the kids were in the room and they really want to be in the video. In fact, they were giving me no chance to make this video. So this is how it looks. You can see how soft the hair is. It's very great to deep condition your hair at least once a month if you're a lazy naturalist like me, and it's okay. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Till we see next year, make sure you stay safe and stay blessed, and God bless you all for all the support in 2021. Bye.